Hey folks, welcome to my step-by-step guide on diagnosing engine misfires. Let's dive right in and get your engine purring again. First up, let's talk symptoms. If your engine's losing power, struggling to start, gulping more fuel than usual, or making popping sounds, you might have a misfire on your hands. Notice any jerking, vibrating, or stalling? Yep, those are telltale signs too. Now, onto the tools you'll need. Grab an OBD2 scanner, a multimeter, a spark plug socket, and some basic hand tools. Got 'em? Great. Step 1, check for trouble codes. Plug in your OBD2 scanner and look out for codes like P0300 for random misfires or P0301, P0308 for specific cylinders. Next, inspect those spark plugs. Are they worn out, fouled, or damaged? Swap them out if needed. Step 3, examine ignition coils. Use your multimeter to test them, or swap them between cylinders. If the misfire follows, you've found your culprit. Check those fuel injectors next. Clogged injectors mess with your air-fuel mix. Clean them or replace them if necessary. Don't forget vacuum leaks. Leaks in the intake manifold or vacuum hoses can cause misfires. Seal them up tight. Lastly, test for compression. Low compression could mean worn piston rings or a blown head gasket. Not great news, but it's better to know. Alright, solutions time. Replace worn spark plugs and faulty ignition coils. Clean or replace those fuel injectors. Fix any vacuum leaks and address low compression issues. If your EGR valve's acting up, swap it out. Before we wrap up, a quick tip. Always use diagnostic tools. They're your best mates in troubleshooting misfires. And remember, safety first. If you're ever in doubt, consult a pro. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for more DIY tips, and happy troubleshooting.